all. So I'm going to go over two problems that were nominated. 27 had the most nominations. 31 didn't have as many, but it's exactly like the presentation. So if you're stuck on the presentation problem, I'm going to give you a couple pointers on 31, though I'm not going to work my way all the way through it. So 27 says 1/2 minus 3m over 4 plus 7 is equal to 4m minus 9 minus m over 28. So there's a lot of different things you could do first. The first thing I'm going to do is common denominator, and that's in this case going to be 28. Now, all of these terms need a common denominator, so instead of doing everything for all of them, I might just do a little simplifying first just by adding 9, because then that's just one less term I have to deal with here. So then I get 16 here. So then when I common denominator of 28, this would be 14 over 28 minus 21m over 28 plus 16 times 28. I'll deal with that later because I'm thinking. My gut instinct says that that's going to simplify. Equals 4 times 28 over 28 m for this one minus m over 28. Multiply by 28 on all sides. That's going to simplify. And so then I have 14 minus 21m plus 16 times 28 equals 4 times 28m minus m. So first thing I'm going to do is I am going to add the 21m so that all my m terms are on this side. And I'm seeing if I see anything that's going to simplify nicely. And it looks like, unfortunately, it's not going to, and I'm just going to have to do that multiplication. Thankfully, we are still in distance learning, so you're going to have a calculator. So I'm going to say 16 times 28, 16 times 28, plus 14. Here on this side is 462 is equal to 4 times 28, which is 112, minus 1m plus 21 is equal to 132m, like this. And now I'm going to divide on both sides by 132. And so 462 divided by 132 is equal to 3.5. So that's how you get your answer. Yeah, use your calculator. It's just a little bit more complicated one, but you can totally get there. Just remember to make common denominators on these terms if you're using that strategy. For 31, I'm not going to go through the entire problem, but it says, I'm going to give you a couple hints because that's going to be really helpful for the presentation. For 31, it says that the perimeter of these two figures are equal. One is a rectangle, so the perimeter would be x plus 20 plus x plus x plus 20. So those are all four sides together. So the rectangular perimeter is equal to 4x plus 40. And then the triangular perimeter is adding those all together is equal to 3x plus 55 plus 15 plus 50. And again, you can check your work on your calculator. It's 120, and those are equal. So this is the equation you're solving. The triangle plus the rectangle, subtract 3x, solve. Now what's going to happen is it's going to give you your x term. You need to plug that back in to find the perimeter because it's asking what's the actual perimeter here. So you want to find x and then plug it back in. So those are my hints for those ones. If you're stuck on anything, please let me know that I haven't gone over here. You can reach me in Zoom or in the comments or by email. And if you want to see more problems gone over, just make sure to nominate them.